let's make this little sphere for Joy. If you already saw our videos making Joy, you know about this color yarn. This color yarn is all sheet color yarn. It's the same color that we use for the details on the dress. This yarn is Symphonia brand yarn, and I will use with this yarn 2.5 millimeters hook. We need wool needle, stuffing, and that's it. It's all the materials that we need to make this sphere, and this yarn is exactly the same than the yarn that we use for Joy. This will be a very short tutorial. If you already made Joy and another tutorials that we have on the channel, you know about how to make magic ring, about working in a spiral, about making single crochet. For that reason, I just will guide you with the subtitles. Then starting on round 1 with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. Put some mark and close the magic ring. We will work in a spiral. On round 2, we will make 6 increase. Then we will finish the round 2 with 12 stitches. On round 3, starting with 1 single crochet and later 1 increase, and repeat the same 6 times, you will finish this round with 18 stitches. And from round 4 to 6, 3 rounds with 18 single crochet each one. After that, I prefer how looks the another side on this fabric or crochet. I don't know how to say that, but I will put this thread from the beginning from the magic ring on this side because I prefer this one on the front. Just for that. If you prefer the another one, well, it's your sphere, okay? But I prefer this one. Then now we will continue with the next round, will be the round 7. Starting with 1 single crochet, put some mark if you think that is necessary, and later 1 decrease. Just repeat the same 6 times and we will finish with 12 stitches. And on round 8 and the last round, 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And after this round, you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for clothes later using a wool needle. But before that, we will put stuffing. Enough stuffing, not too much. And then just cut the thread and that's it. We already finished this little sphere. It's very simple and fast to make, I know. And just put it on the hand of your Joy. If you haven't seen the videos for Make Joy yet, please see on the description below. I will share the link for this pattern with you. Oh, sorry. The Joy hand has no wire on the fingers, just on the arm. I hope you like it and you want to do this doll. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I'm really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel and you really like our video, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end, and see you in the next project. Bye bye.